Hi everyone, today I am going to show you one knee brace which is having a hinge. Especially we used it for osteoarthritis conditions. Now I will show you how to wear this brace. This is the knee brace. This is called half loading knee brace. It has one side hinge and you have to identify by seeing this mark. This is for right knee and how to use it. You can see if you open this side, you can see which is up, which is low. Did you see the mark? This is the upper one. So this should come upside. Now we'll see how to wear this brace. So as I said, this is the upper one. Always check the mark. Upper one. Take this brace under your knee. This space is for patella. So it should be open. Make it tight till your comfort line. This is the final one. It has a hinge towards your medial side. It takes half of your pressure. With this osteoarthritis half loading knee braces, it reduces your body weight and pressure on your knee joint more than 50%. That is the reason you feel very less pain on your knee joint.